Email marketing the easy way. Have you ever wondered, what is the easy way of email marketing? Do you often wonder what risks are involved in email marketing? Have you found yourself frequently thinking that, what to look an email marketing company? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about email marketing the easy way. Now let's get into it. Basically, in plain English, email marketing is a targeted mass mailing done via email. The purpose of email marketing could be advertising in order to recruit new clients, introducing a new set of products or services to an existing client base, keeping your clients informed by means of a newsletter, etc. All of the before-mentioned activities are very legitimate business efforts, as long as you respect some unwritten rules, and as long as the list of emails you use is what is called targeted. In other words, the names came from a database generated by your marketing division and represents your existing client base, a carefully selected list of potential prospects, or a list of people who opted in to receive your messages. Sound pretty risky, so why bother? Risk involved. Obviously, opt-in email advertising is far more cost-effective than direct marketing via regular mail, door-to-door sales, or telemarketing. Paper, printing, envelopes, and postage can add up quickly. Door-to-door sales require paying out commissions. Telemarketing results in high long-distance bills, often without great results, as people become more and more bloodthirsty toward the people on the other end of the so-called cold call. So why not just use my personal email, or my company's mail server and some mailing software? In the early days of email marketing, that's exactly what people did. They would gather all their emails into some primitive version of a spreadsheet, fire up some mail merging program, hook it up to their corporate mail system, and voila, thousands of emails were flying away. Today, the scenario is certainly possible, but let me tell you in a simple set of scenarios what can happen. One of the many not-for-profit groups that decided to police the internet will intercept that a large number of emails were generated and sent by a server near you. Yep, they can do that. In order to protect the civilized world from those who spread spam, viruses, and other vermin, they will put you on a list of threats to humanity. Those other nice corporate folks who were your indented recipients have a department that gets constantly yelled at by angry users who get emails with naked people. Well, their guy decides to put up an anti-spam system that links to the not-for-profit's database of known spammers. Oh yeah, did I mention you are now a known spammer? And block your emails. Your emails might actually be blocked so well that your company will have a real trouble communicating via email, and your folks will all go nuts and/or get fired. Basically, not so good. Other things that can happen are, you have to build some opt-in opt-out system. In some states there are laws that require that you make it very easy for your audience to unsubscribe. You have a hard time formatting your emails in a decent, eye-pleasing way, etc. Lastly, the process of sending thousands of emails and managing lists, subscribing and unsubscribing people, is tedious and just plain annoying. The only way to do it is with a maximum degree of automation, or, the better solution, to outsource to a company that does it professionally. Folks, I am known for promoting the do-it-in-house concept, and I'm not that big on outsourcing. But when it comes to mass mailing, I say stay away from it and let the professionals do what they do. If you are worried about cost, know that the fee you pay for email marketing services will still cost less than the continued overhead and expenses of the traditional options, not to mention the great possibilities of reaching a much larger audience, much faster, practically instantly. What to look an email marketing company? Automating your subscribe and unsubscribe requests. Many email marketing companies will provide you with exact HTML code you need to paste to your site to have a subscription form on your website. The better services also provide a link at the bottom of each email that enables subscribers to update their information or unsubscribe from a list, automating everything for you. Another powerful feature of many email marketing services is the ability to use mail merge capabilities to personalize each email that you send. The better services allow to have custom fields additional to the standard first name and last name. Bounce backs are emails that are sent to email accounts that no longer exist or are full, blocked, etc. Essentially, you'll get a response stating that your message did not make it. All email list management software programs are able to manage subscribe and unsubscribe requests and send out messages. However, without integrated bounce back email, handling all the non-deliverable emails will be sent back to you, a rather big nuisance if your list is large. Ideally, the email software you use will be able to manage your bounce backs for you. Whenever a bounce back is received, the software makes a note of the address, and if another bounce back is received, the email address will be sent to a list of dead addresses. This remove capability is extremely important, since if you continuously send out emails with many bounces backs, you may be blacklisted as a spammer. This is something you really want to avoid at all cost. The ability to send out HTML emails has been around for quite some time. Most email marketing companies support the ability to send out messages that include graphics and formatted text. This is surely something you'll want to look for. However, not all of your users have the ability to view email messages in HTML format. This percentage is usually between 10 to 20%. Instead of seeing your aesthetically pleasing email, they might see a string of meaningless code. Using most email list management programs, these 10 to 20% of users will open up emails from you and be very inclined to call you a spammer. To avoid this, look for companies that use multi-part MIME to send out messages. When you send an HTML email in multi-part MIME, users who do not have the ability to view HTML messages will receive the email in the usual text format. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about email marketing the easy way. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.